Hi, I'm Nathan Tripler.
And hi, I'm Michelle Bozzuto. We're the managers of the HAI Group Account Services team.
As account executives, we're here to be your main point of contact for anything related to your policy, from the day it's bound through your renewal and everything in between.
Our job is to make sure your coverage stays accurate, your questions get answered, and your experience with HAI Group is smooth as possible. Think of us as your insurance guide, here to walk alongside you every step of the way. Our role covers a lot of ground, but here are some of the key areas we manage. Policy management, keeping your coverage up to date as your needs change. Endorsements, these are changes made to your policy. Midterm, endorsement might add or remove coverage, update limits, or change details like an address or a vehicle. Certificates of insurance, proof of insurance coverage that can be given to lenders, contractors, or other third parties. We make sure these are accurate and issued quickly. Renewals, reviewing and updating your policy each year to keep it current and aligned with your operations. Everything we do comes back to one goal, making sure you're protected and supported year-round.
Most of your coverage will come directly through HAI Group, but sometimes your needs extend beyond what we write in-house. In those cases, we help you secure alternate market placements, which means working with other insurance carriers to get specialized policies. Examples include builder's risk, coverage for a building while it's under construction or renovation, cyber liability, protection against data breaches, ransomware, and other cyber attacks, directors and officers liability, protection for board members and executives for decisions they make in their roles, flood insurance, essential for properties in flood zones or areas with heavy rain risk, wind and hail coverage for properties in areas prone to severe storms. We take care of finding the right coverage, negotiating terms, and making sure it integrates smoothly with your other policies.
We work directly with you, but we're also part of a larger team. Internally, we collaborate with risk control. They help identify and reduce potential hazards at your properties. Finance, they ensure billing is accurate and payment schedules work for you. Underwriting, they assess risk and set policy terms so we can make sure all your details are correct before coverage is bound. Externally, we work with trusted insurance partners to place specialized coverages when needed.
Every day looks different, but some common examples of how we support you include adding a new property or vehicle to your policy, updating coverage after renovations or improvements, issuing certificates of insurance to meet funding or contract requirements, helping explain coverage so you know exactly what's protected. We also keep an eye out for changes that might require an update to your policy, so you're never caught off guard.
If you're adding coverage or starting a new policy, we guide you through the onboarding process. That includes submission collections, gathering all the details needed for an accurate quote. Application review, making sure the form is complete and correct. Binding coverage, finalizing the policy so it's officially in place. The welcome experience, providing your policy documents and showing you how to reach us for anything you may need. The goal is to make your first experience with us easy and stress-free.
We're not just here at renewal time. We work with you all year. Midterm servicing can include processing endorsements. For example, adding new equipment coverage halfway through your policy year. Issuing certificates of insurance, often needed for loans, grants, or to hire contractors. Audits and compliance, helping you through reviews to ensure your coverage stays accurate. Exposure conversations, talking about things like new construction, expanded services, or higher occupancy that could affect your coverage. Sometimes this is also when we will market or remarket an alternate market policy. Market means presenting your coverage to carriers for the first time to see what terms they can offer. Remarket means reshopping your coverage with carriers you've worked with before to ensure you're still getting the best value and protection. By doing this midterm, rather than waiting until renewal, we can make sure your specialized coverages are competitive and aligned with your needs year-round.
Renewals are one of the most important times of the year for us. We start with a renewal summary. This outlines your current coverage, changes from the past year, and any recommendations we have for the upcoming term. From there, we work closely with underwriting to finalize your renewal and make sure you're fully prepared for the new policy term.
Whether it's onboarding, midterm changes, or renewals, our focus is on making the process clear, efficient, and tailored to your organization.
We're here to help you protect your properties, your people, and your mission.
If you ever have a question, need a change, or want to review your coverage, don't wait until the renewal time. Reach out anytime.
Thank you for trusting HAI Group. We're proud to support the work you do every day.